guys! Welcome back to Sunny Vlogs. It's me, Sunny. So for today's video guys, we will be doing a unboxing or review from Shopee. So this is the item. This is the item guys. Binuksan ko na siya. Ito. Dito lang. And it's a PRESTIGIO 3-axis gimbal with hard case bundle. So, nabili ko po siya guys sa flash deals sa Shopee. I grabbed the opportunity to bought this because napakamura niya guys. I think it's from 4,290 naging 1,949 pesos sa flash deal sa Shopee. O diba? Ang mura guys, but tingnan natin if it's legit or gumagana ba siya. Tingnan natin guys. So, ito yon. Dito lang ako nag-cut. So, kakarating lang niya guys. And, tinignan ko naman yung ibang reviews. And, okay naman. Binasa din ng husband ko. Ouch! So, ito yon. Say, phone stabilizer. Sa features niya, guys, comprehensive 3-axis stabilization. Supports your smartphone in the most stable position. So, even while walking and running, you can still capture more refined and rock-steady videos. So, yun na nga. Truly amazing cinematography and videography, char. Built-in mounting system with adjustable arm. 9 to 12 hours battery life, bongga. And iOS, Android compatibility with free app. So, maida-download pa pala itong app, guys. Agara. Then, may manual. So, ito yung manual. User manual. And may pa-foam. Ay, nabalig yun. Ay, sakto din. Diba? So, this, mama. So, this is the product. Char. Bukat siya, guys. Legit garo ni siya, guys, no? So, I bought this from the Kinemaster official. So, I'll just put it over here or here somewhere in my screen. Kung saan ko siya nabili, na what store, sa Shopee. So, ito yan. Diba? Wow! Okay. Install lang. Astasag lang ko yan ng charo niya na lang. Guys, magbigat siya, guys. Yes. Dito yung parang charging, niya. Charging cable. Saan yung wide? Guro na yung WP. Yung mode. Ano to? Sa ba niya? Video, guro na. Okay. Parang pang zoom. Mode. Then, on and off. Power. Yung power button niya. So, dito ilalagay yung. So, yun na nga guys. Ito yon. And, I will be showing you a sample video sa paggamit natin later. So, the next one that I'm gonna open from the parcel is yung hard case niya guys. So, ang aking videographer, Char, nagda-download siya ngayon ng app from the Gimbal Pro. Ito yung case niya. Wala namang guys, hindi naman siya na-deform. Kahit manipis lang yung bubble wrap niya guys. And, meron siya ganito. And, the sling. Sling ba na guys? So, ilalagay siya pag ganito. Oops. Excuse me. Ay, unsa man ni? Bisan ni ay pabinogo resan ni. Okay. So, pag ganito siya guys. And, pak chuk. Dodong. Lalagay yung So guys, naghanap ako noon ng gimbal, na cheapest gimbal kasi hindi naman siya masyadong pero if meron, why not, 'di ba? So naghanap ako noon, and the cheapest product na nakikita ko was yung 4 to 5,000. Cheap na yun guys, pero hindi lang ako kasi hindi siya masyadong need. Kasi bago pa ako sisimula ng pag-vlog. So, yun nga. So, nakita ko to sa flash deals, and I really grabbed the opportunity, guys. And, nandito na, and I hope it really works. Okay? So, next slide will be the sample ng
charge. Lagi ko basa ha, charging.
So, guys, magbasa sa dito sa user manual, no? Samparisan niyo, guys, meron kang ida-download na app. Meron silang QR code dito. So, isa-scan lang. Then, direct na sila sa Play Store. Yes, naka-download na po ako. And, of course, you have to familiarize the Gimbal Pro's interface, diba? So, yung application is available for both Google and Apple App Store. Google Play and Apple App Store. So, and of course, usage. Upon unboxing, please charge the Prestigio 3-axis handheld gimbal first for 5 hours until the battery is full. So, i-charge ko pa muna to guys for 5 hours. And, yun nga. Charging prior to the first use is so important. So, highlighted yan dito guys, ha? So, for the next video, for the next slide, is yung sample video ng paggamit ko ng Gimbal Pro, ng Prestigio Gimbal Pro. Yes. So, next slide. So, hi guys, I will be showing you how to set up your Prestigio 3-axis smartphone gimbal. So, get your gimbal. Ouch! Make sure that it is already charged upon purchase, at least 5 hours or until it's fully charged. So, please refer to the user manual that includes in their package. Yes, this one. And yes. Hawakan nyo siya like this one, guys. Of course, guys, you have to download their app. It's available on Google Play and on Apple Store. So, meron siya like this one. Meron siyang QR code. And it's free. You have to get your phone's case para mabalance talaga siya, guys. So, first, you have to mount your phone first. This one. I-retract mo dito, guys. Make sure that it touches the phone here. Yes, like this one. Diba? Nakaganyan na siya. And then, nagaganon na siya, guys. And, please refer to the knobs here, dito, and here, para sa balancing niya. So, first, you have to adjust the knob here. Kasi mas mabigat dito, so i-adjust natin. Pag naka-stable na siya, guys, nakaganito na. Hindi pa siya stable. So, i-adjust na naman natin. So, adjust lang na adjust. And voila! You're done mounting your phone. So, you open the Bluetooth na sa phone and turn on your Prestigio. Long press lang, guys. Diba? Magsiset na din siya, guys. Yan na. And, open the app. Ito yung magiging itsura niya, guys. Diba? Then, connect lang. Ito yun. So, ito na yun. Diba? So, easy. Basta, make sure that you read the user manual. And, you have to familiarize the parts of your gimbal para hindi kayo maloka, guys. Yan nga, guys. So, legit siya na, guys, na gimbal. So, guys, I can say na maganda ang yung na-purchase ko from Shopee, guys. I love this. It's a 5-star for me. It's legit. And it's sulit. And it is the cheapest gimbal online. Diba? Akalain nyo, guys. So, guys, this is the end of our video for today. And thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and my other social media accounts. And tap the bell button for more video updates. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like it. Please do comment down below if ito or nahirapan kayo sa pag-set up. Please do comment down below to let me know, anything. So, peace out. Bye!